If you've pressed play on this video, then you're most likely in one of three places. Either one, you're thinking about starting a cash pay practice and you're not exactly sure where to start. Or maybe two, you already have a successful practice and you take insurance and you want to switch over to a cash pay practice and you don't know what to do. Or maybe you already run a cash pay practice and things are going okay, but they're not as good as they could be. Well, if you're in any of those three places, then you're in the right place because we created this course just for you. Hi, my name is Jody Lane, and I am the CEO of the Greenleaf Group. And I'm going to guess that you probably went to medical school and not business school. And you may not think that you have all the tools that you need to run a successful practice. Well, we get it because we're just like you. We are healthcare professionals who run our own cash pay practice in Orlando, Florida. We're also WorldLink members and attended all the same courses that you have. And we started with just 3 people and we implemented all the things that we teach in the course into our own practice. And in just a couple of years, we built up to 11 staff, 2 providers, and we've more than tripled our revenue. So we decided to take all that we've learned and put it into a course just for you. And it all starts with mindset. In your course, the very first class, we delve deep into mindset so that you can understand the kind of mindset that you need to have amazing success. Then we took some of the more successful and needed entrepreneurial practices. We made it relevant for the healthcare industry. We talk about SWOT analysis, how to create a business plan, how to create revenue projections and budgeting, and how to create a bulletproof culture of staff that believe in your practice just as much as you do so they can implement all of your great treatments and services. Then we delve into marketing, because let's face it, without marketing, there is no business, because without patience, you have no practice. And then we finish up with teaching our leaders how to have a great life outside their practice, so that when they come into the practice, they bring all of that positive energy into the staff. Now, all of this is available to you in just one concise course. We teach you why these principles are important. We teach you how to execute them. And then after every single class, you'll have a download that you can use to go to work about your practice and take the things you've learned and figure out how you're going to implement them for you. Now, this isn't going to be easy. I mean, nothing in life that is worth having is ever easy. But what I promise you is that if you go ahead and take this course, a year from now, you're going to look back and realize that all the hard work you put in, all the hours, all the attention to detail will have paid off. And you'll be walking in every single day to a practice that you and your staff love. If you've got questions, let us know, and we hope that you enjoy the course.